Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper and Twine. I hope everybody is well and keeping safe. I've got some DT packages to show you and a little bit of surprise happy mail. Yeah, I think I know who this is from. So what should we start with first? I think we'll do the happy mail first. So I must apologise. I am so behind on comments and videos and taking part in people's challenges. There's an awful lot of stuff going on, and I will do my best to, catch up. As I'm filming this, it is quite early in the morning. I've been up since 6:30. It's now 7:30. So this, I believe, is from the lovely Kath S. Just take a moment to look at that lovely washi tape. There is a little bit on the front. Let me just cover my address up because she always decorates her envelopes nicely. So we've got a lovely Christmas stamp there. I don't think I've ever had a package from Kath that's had a normal stamp on it. They've always been picture stamps, a little bit more of that washi tape, and then there's an address label with this lovely pattern round. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is from Kath. So we've got a little thing wrapped up here. Oh, and look. And oh, she has the most amazing handwriting. As a teacher, I appreciate nice handwriting. When you're wading through hundreds of essays, what I used to do actually is I used to sort through them and save all the nice handwriting till last and start with all the difficult ones that I couldn't read because they take the longest. So we just retrieved that washi tape. I've just stuck it to the front of my desk drawer and we'll have a look at this. I mean, it's lovely. Kath this time last year wasn't really making her own cards. She was buying them from my Etsy shop, which a lot of tumbleweed is running through. Yeah, I've made £8 profit this year on my Etsy shop. It's not very good, is it? Yeah, it's just time. It's time I haven't. Yeah, I've let it go. It's just too much to do. Not enough hours in the day. Oh look! Oh, this iconic image of Alice with the playing cards. You've got the white rabbit running away. I love this, and all these little animals here. Alice and the Shower of Cards. So Sir John Tenniel was the iconic illustrator. Oh! Oh! It says, hello Ashley, and I must say, I'm really sorry Kath, I have had this for a number of days. Yeah, it says, hello Ashley, we spent a couple of nights in York at the weekend and visited a fabulous shop called Imaginarium. It sold some really quirky stuff. I purchased a wonderful seagull pen pot and there was some Alice stuff, so I bought you the enclosed coaster for your coffee and this rather lovely card. I do hope you like them. Once again, this is by way of a thank you and a very sincere one for your wonderful vlogs. Oh, I so enjoy them. I'm pleased to hear you are enjoying your work in school. I'm sure you are an asset to them. Sending love, Kath. P.S. I hope your mum is doing a little better. Well, yeah, mummy's mum. Yeah, it's not brilliant. But yeah, school. I think I've probably got about another 3 weeks left until they employ somebody. I was in yesterday, and I'm working with one English teacher twice a week, and she got me to write a story on World Book Day. The kids were changing a fairy story, and she said, "Would you like to do one, miss?" And I did, and she read it to the class. I might read it to you actually in a coffee shop drivel. Let me know if you'd like that. But I was with her yesterday, and at the end of the lesson I went out, I said, "Bye, see you Thursday." And she said, "Oh, thank you so much, you're a joy to have in the class." Wasn't that lovely? Anyway, so we have a coaster in here. And of course I've got my coaster, it's on my desk with my water glass On my other desk, I've got my coaster that the lovely Ashley Carruthers made me. Oh, look. Would you like an adventure or shall we have tea first? Oh, that's lovely. And that fits just nicely. There's a hole in my desk here where your wires would come out, you know, for devices, and that fits over that nicely, so my mug will sit there and I can use that bit of space. Kath, that is so kind and thoughtful of you, really, thank you so much. And of course this is a really iconic image, isn't it? Stamperia use it. I wonder if the Imaginarium have got an online shop. I might have to go and have a look. Oh, lovely, thank you. Now what to do next? I will show you this because it's open. I am on a design team for a small British company called Relatively Thoughtful. I'm a guest designer for the next 3 months, and this is my package that has arrived. It's from an umbrella of the company called Thoughtful Studio, which is run by a lovely lady called Marie. And this is the Good Vibes collection, and I think you can actually buy the physical product, but you can also buy it digitally. So we've got journaling cards and postcards. So we've got 4x6 and what would that be? 3x4? Yeah, 4x6 and 3x4. I've cut down one from this already. I just love this. It's so positive, which is what we need at the moment, isn't it? A little bit of positivity in the world. And I love the soft colour palette. I mean, look at that. And I've got an idea for what I'm going to do with the smaller cards. Feel the vibes, good vibes. Oh, this life, but look at the lovely colours. So much you could do. Beautiful. Happy mail. These would be lovely in a journal, and they're just single-sided. But of course you could put them back to back if you wanted to. Listen as your day unfolds, and we've got that lovely one again. I've had that one already. Yeah, we've had a little bit of something similar, but I just love the sketchiness of it and the colours. And that's sweet. You could die cut that out, couldn't you, and have a little window of something. Oh, there's an idea for a little card. Notes. So that would be nice on a journal, you know, the front of a journal, because I can. So obviously if you buy the digital version of this, I think you're able to resize. I don't know whether you can recolour. I do need to have a play, but I've made a card with one of the cards, which is this here. I love this saying, and I've done it on quite a grungy background, and it says, be yourself, everyone else is already taken, Oscar Wilde. And I've used all the stamps in the background are from Hazel Eaton, the little background stamps in her collection, and we've got some Tim Holtz ephemera, and we've got some glitter, glass glitter from Stampendous on the bottom of her dress, just to add a bit of something, a little bit of, yeah. And yeah, I love it. The colours I used in the background were rusty hinge, frayed burlap, and a little bit of fossilised amber. And I have learnt that if you leave your oxides to dry naturally, you do get much better oxidisation, as you can see there, than if you heat them. I learnt that from Tim Holtz. And this is a little bit of ephemera, the numbers picking up on the subtle number stamps there. I've stamped in ground espresso. I've tried to use these lines. It's a lovely long line stamp that obviously you can use in any orientation and cut off. So, you know, I've put a bit there to ground her feet, and it looks like she's sitting down on something and her elbows leaning on the words. So that is my first make with my design team. Sorry, I just noticed that my camera shut off for some reason. So yeah, I was just saying that this is the first that I made with the design team package from Relatively Thoughtful. Bring that up so you can have a closer look. Then I've had my design team package from Cheryl Simone. I haven't peeked, but there are some things sticking out of the edge. So it looks like I might have some Stamperia. I recognise this. And as always, wrapped up in beautiful tissue paper. So I'm just going to, oh, see, that came off nice and simply, didn't it? I will link Cheryl down below, and I will link the products that she has sent me down below as well. This is so exciting. So, oh, got 2 sweeties, and thanks, gorgeous. That's nice. What have we got? What have we got? We've got some chipboard pieces. Excellente. Excellente. Sweet things, sweet memories. Oh, I love this. This is the Sweety collection. I've got this already, but I'm excited that I've got more. And look, here is the paper pad, the 8x8. I'm not sure whether I've got the 12x12 as well. I can't remember, but we'll have a quick, sorry for the noise, we'll have a quick flick through. I'm so glad to get another one of these because I do use them. Look at this. Mother's Day coming up soon, isn't it? And my mum in particular loves cake and chocolates. Talked about my mum a bit already. Yeah, she's always had a sweet tooth, and if we ever used to go out for dinner, she'd always look at the pudding menu first. Sometimes we'd have 2 puddings. Yeah, so I can see me making something with this for her. And of course, on the inside cover, you've got your cutter parts. But if you didn't want to use those, you've got elements on the front that you could use as well. Then we've got these. Oh yes, I've got an idea. Yes, I've got an idea for what to do with these. Yes, yes indeed. Oh, I'm so excited. An idea has just been sparked. You've got these little, you can make these into little tags. And of course on the back, you've got space for writing. Enjoying the sweet moment. So you could use that as a whole card front for an 8x8 card, or cut elements out. You could cut that down there. Fussy cut the cups. You've got fabric. I just love the colour palette in this. This isn't so me. I don't mind little bits of it, but yeah, that's a little bit busy for me. But there's so much you could do with this. Oh yes, I've got another idea. Yes, I have an idea. Yes, I'm not going to tell you because you might steal it before I've done it. But yes, I have an idea for what I'm going to do with that. And again, we've got the floral, shabby chic floral on the back. Happiness is a cup of tea. All these elements here you can fussy cut. They've got drop shadows around them, so it kind of makes it easy to cut them out. Here's some more cutter parts. There's a reverse of that. And I love that these have got space on the back so that you can use them as a little journaling card. Yes. Oh, that's so lovely. And this I love. Yeah, I can see stickles around these little swirls here to pick up on that, and a little bit of glossy accents on that. How delightful is that? Ice cream is happiness condensed. And that's the other side. Yes, yes, love it. La boulangerie. You've got your macarons. Such gorgeous colours. They're kind of like sugared almond colours, aren't they? Very Easter-like. And there's a reverse of that. My cake recipe. I mean, that would be nice to send to somebody, wouldn't it? As like a recipe card with your cake recipe on it. Oh, it makes me want to eat cake now, and it's only 7:30 in the morning. Well, it's nearer to 8 o'clock now. And look at that top-down view of that gorgeous, gorgeous cake. And I like the stripes on that. It's a little bit more vibrant. And then you've got all these circles on the back. Again, you could fussy cut those or die cut those. But yes, I've got an idea for what I'm going to do. Oh, I'm excited. And all these here. I guess if you've got a brother scan and cut, you could scan that and then it would cut it all out, wouldn't it? Or if you've got a Cricut. Does a Cricut scan? I don't know. I don't know. But that's that. And then don't forget you've got these. And then I've got some Heidi Swap ribbon. So I've got glitter ribbon, spotty ribbon, and some extra wide yarn. So this is from Heidi Swap. So thank you so much, Cheryl. I'm really excited. I've got some ideas sparked. I am doing a couple of magazine commissions this week, but next week I will be on with a make, most definitely. I'll be back tomorrow with my PCB alphabet challenge. If I've got time, I might film a coffee shop drivel for tomorrow. We'll see. If not, I might film it when I come home from work on Thursday to go up Friday. We'll see, because I've got paper crafting this week as well. But yes, do take care, everybody, and stay safe in these horrible, uncertain times, and sending best wishes to you all. If you do like this content, please do like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to engage with me in the comments down below. I promise I will get round to reading them. Take care, everybody. Bye now.